So you may have just picked up your Amazon Echo Dot and you're trying to figure out exactly how to use this spherical device. Now, it's a very easy basic device to go and use. It doesn't really take too much time to really understand, but for you to go and use it, you first need to go and actually plug it in and set it up. And to do that, that's actually very basic to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your AC adapter that you basically have inside of your box. So grab that little AC adapter that you might have, and you have a little cable at the end of it that looks something like this. So what you want to do is you want to grab this and you want to plug it to the back end of your Amazon Echo Dot. So plug it in, and then once you go ahead and actually plug it in, you'll basically be able to go through the setup process, and that's that. Now, the outside of your Amazon Echo Dot, there's not anything super crazy going on here. You have your standard mesh material right here. This doubles as a speaker, so you do have that speaker built inside of here. But at the very top, you have a few different buttons. So what these buttons are, number one, the solid circle button that you have here, this is a multi-tool button for your, for your Echo Dot. So once, if you go and press it, hold it down or whatever, this will go and kind of like wake your Amazon Echo up. You can go through, you can press it to activate Alexa without saying the wake word. So if you don't have your wake word set up, you can go through and just press it. It will go and open up Alexa. Now, you can also tap once to silence an alarm. You can tap once for a timer. If you have an alarm or timer going off, you can click on that button. And if you press and hold down that button for 20 seconds, it will go and put this device into basically pairing mode, and that's going to allow you to go and set up your Amazon Echo Dot for the first time again. These buttons right here are basically just buttons that allow you to increase or decrease your volume. So you can decrease the volume by clicking on the decrease button. You can increase your volume by clicking on the increase button right there. And then this little button right here, so it's a little button that basically has like the little slash through it, that is a microphone button. So by going through and clicking onto this button, this will go ahead and mute and basically unmute your particular microphone. So let's say you have it in an open area and you don't want your microphone, if you don't want the Alexa to notice your words, you can tap on this and it will go and signal to you that you're no longer having your microphone enabled. So at that point, it's good to use as a speaker or something like that. But if you really want to just turn it off, you can go through, tap onto this button right there, and that will go and turn off your microphone as of that point. So that is basically how to use your Amazon Echo Dot. At this point, you should be able to just go and set it up with your device or your iPhone or Android. You can pair it up with your Amazon account. And from that point, you should be able to go through and really do whatever you want to do with it at that point. So that's how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.